Hey guys, welcome back to Slow Travel Chronicles. Today we've got a treat. Stephanie told me to do a packing video. She did one several weeks ago. I'm sure she will link it below so you can check that out. I was asked to do one from a guy's perspective. So without further ado, let me tell you what I got. I have an Away extra large carry-on. This suitcase is about 4 years old. I'm not sure they still make them with the exterior pocket. I don't think they do, but we use ours. I use mine and she uses hers. Comes in very handy if you can get one. I'm just going to start from the outside, work our way through it. After the suitcase, I've got a backpack. So I have a backpack and a suitcase, all carry on, that's all we do. First things first, as I mentioned, backpack. In my outside case, I have a backpack. It is a Thule, if I'm pronouncing that correctly, 20-liter day pack. Use it to carry things to and from the grocery store. Use it when we go on overnight or out-of-town visits when we're overseas, and generally it just comes in very handy. Now for the good stuff. So we are leaving tomorrow to go to France, and this is what I'm taking to France.
And it is currently the mid-March.
Mid-March. I will start with this because it's here. This is a fireproof pouch. I have in there right now printed copies of train tickets. Yes, I have them on my phone, but sometimes we lose internet connectivity. I want to have copies. I also have euros. We have a bank in town that sells currency. I go there, buy a couple $100s in euros. Most of that is in here, and some American money, should we need it, when we're in the airports or traveling to and from on the way back from Europe. Okay. This side, the zippered side, this is pretty easy. I have in here my camera bag. Underneath there, I'm not going to show every single thing. I mean, I'll pull it out, but I'm not going to go through everything. I have, starting at the top, I have my travel adapter for Europe and an extension cord. This is just an American extension cord. It's great if you're in an Airbnb that you don't have access to many outlets. Plug this in, plug the extension cord in, we got everything we need. I then have a pair of convertible pants. Every retired American owns one and wears it in Europe proudly. So shorts, pants, perfect. Dryer sheets. If you're asking me why carrying dryer sheets, I'll tell you because Stephanie told me to do so. We haven't had a dryer in Europe like in years, but I still carry dryer sheets.
It makes your clothes smell good.
Yeah, but we don't use them. Okay. This, I have two cubes in here. These are not compression cubes. They do kind of help a little bit condense things down. I have a small one and a medium. The small one, underwear and socks. It all fits in one. Socks are a little bulky, but you can do it. And then the larger one is t-shirts. I think I have 3 short sleeve t-shirts. I have 4 long sleeve t-shirts. I believe Memphis koozie, very important. A washcloth, because you can't get those in Europe. And a pair of running shorts, in case I want to exercise and or just lounge around. So,
More of the latter.
more of the latter. All of those fit in this medium-sized cube without a problem. I should say I have 3 t-shirts in here. Obviously I wear one on the plane, so I take 4 t-shirts, short sleeve, 4 t-shirts, long sleeve. I also always wear this shirt on the plane because it's got 2 front pockets, so I can put my glasses and my phone in them while we're overseas. And then the last thing I have in here is Q-tips, because if we don't take them, we end up buying them, and soap, because if we don't take it, we end up buying it. So that is the first side of the suitcase. Okay, I repacked that half. Now we're going on to the other half. The first thing we have in here is a divider, which is just a pouch. We put in there sandwich bags, gallon size, quart size. They're just very good to have. In particular, the gallon size bags work great when you're transporting things like shampoo and conditioner and ketchup and mustard by train in Europe. because we typically ride trains a couple of times, and we do take food with us. Then I also have folded up in here a North Face rain shell. So it's my rain jacket, because we don't take umbrellas. This side, okay, this is more miscellaneous stuff. I have a pullover, like a light sweatshirt. Taking one pair of shorts on this trip. Then, and Stephanie will kind of come over here and look down. I've got my 4 nice shirts all rolled up, 2 short sleeve and 2 long sleeve. I have my toiletries in this bag. I have alligator clips and clothespins or whatever. These are really helpful to use as chip clips and or just to hold things when you need them. This is a lightweight vest that has been rolled up and wedged in here. This is my camera blower. I've never used it overseas, but I always take it just in case my camera gets dirty. I also have some trash bags. In case you're wondering, why do we carry trash bags? Well, we typically are in Airbnbs for a month. They don't give us trash bags that whole time, so we end up buying them occasionally, and we buy them. I just keep them in my suitcase until they're gone. These we bought in Mexico. Then I have sunglasses, Tupperware. Almost never find Tupperware in Europe. I mean, you can find it at the stores. They don't come in the Airbnbs. So take 3 things for Tupperware. My belt. Don't wear a belt on planes. Don't like taking it off. In America, it's not a problem. We're TSA pre-check, but when we go through security in Europe, it's a pain in the ass when you have to do all this stuff. And then 3 scrubber sponges, 1 for each place we're visiting in France, because a lot of Airbnbs don't always provide a clean sponge. Stephanie likes a clean sponge, so we use those when we buy them. We just keep carrying them until we use them all. So that is the miscellaneous side of my suitcase. Okay, so my second piece of luggage is my photo backpack. This is a photography backpack, but it works for me as an all-purpose one. On the outside, I have my trusty noise-canceling headphones from Sony. These things are a godsend. In the back, it does have a laptop case. I have in there my Kindle, and I have my laptop. Fits in the back, not a problem. Down here, there's 2 main compartments. I'm not going to go through this bottom half. It's all camera gear. A couple of cameras, a couple of lenses. It's all in there. The top half is full. I have my chargers. I think this was my daughter's makeup bag one time back in the day. Now it is awesome. I carry all my chargers in there. I have my liquids. That way, easy access. If I go through security in Europe, I can get it out and I don't have to get it in my suitcase. Passports. A travel adapter that we can use in the airport, because like for this trip, we're going to London. I have to have a London travel adapter. And then I have a camera bag insert, which goes into the camera bag I showed earlier. So anyway, it's a really tight fit, but everything makes it. So that's the backpack.
Plus you have a water bottle on the side.
Oh yeah, water bottle and my compression socks. We wear those if we fly for more than about 4 hours at a time. So we'll put those on before we board our flight to London. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. Come back each and every Thursday for a new video. You'll see where we are in the world. As always, don't forget to like, share, comment, do all the things that Stephanie says. It really does help our channel out, and we hope you have a great week.